Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we are doing my first ever Ipsy Glam X unboxing. It says Glam X on top here, but it also has my address information, so we're not going to show that part. But this is a brand new subscription from Ipsy. This is the first month they're doing it. I believe it's quarterly, so every 4 months you can get one of these. It replaces your bag, so I don't know. I have the Ipsy and the Ipsy Glam bag, so I have both of the smaller subscriptions, and this replaced my Glam bag, the bigger one. So I don't know if you just have the little one, if you get both, or if it replaces that one, but it is quarterly, so February is the first month. This retails for $55, I believe, and they are, I don't know if they're all gonna be, but I think they all are gonna be like celebrity makeup artist curated. Those are words. But this time it was Patrick Ta. I'm not sure if it'll just be like celebrity makeup artists or if it's going to be celebrities too, or like special guests kind of thing, like YouTubers maybe, or influencers. I don't know, but Patrick Ta was the first one. So opening it up, it does look like this. It's a purple box instead of the normal pink. And here is this. This is cute. Okay, so this is the like little pamphlet thing. And it looks like an old magazine. That's really cute. I like it. I believe that's Patrick Ta there. But it's got like a lot of information in here. There's Halsey on the back. Oh yeah, it's got the prices. Awesome. I love that. I hate when they don't include prices. I don't know what to do with this. Let's just like chill there. Okay. I also don't know if these are like curated for each person or if they're all the same, but this is open, so let's start here. This is the matte painted lip color from About Face, which is Halsey's new brand, so that's awesome. I've been wanting to like purchase some of her stuff. Oh, this is cute. I like this. This retails for $22. I was like, I literally just saw the prices on here. I got the shade Last Good Night, and this is actually a really wearable color. It's like a very neutral toned mauve color. Ooh, smells very like mentholy, like herbal kind of smelling. Very small wand. Very pretty color though. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, so first product I'm excited for. Next. This is One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Skin Mist from Item. Oh, also, Halsey's brand About Face is cruelty free. Item Beauty. I feel like I've heard of this, but I don't know. You say on here? Vegan and cruelty free. Okay. I just got that lipstick everywhere. I'm always excited for a new setting spray. Like, I like trying setting sprays. I don't know why, but I've never heard of this. I think I have, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Are you in here? Oh yeah, okay. So it shows you the options you could have got as well. This is difficult to use. So Glam X exclusive. So this is a Glam X only choice product. I don't believe I made a choice though, but I could be wrong. It looks like I could have got some Tula skincare, Private Doctor Define Minus Serum, Yensa eye cream, or this. I don't believe I chose this, but this would have been my choice out of the 4 anyway, so that's awesome. This retails for $18, like that. What's next? Ooh. We got some scrunchies. They're like very velvety, like crushed velvet. Feel really nice. There's 4 in here. They're all like blushy mauve tones, and then there's a white in here too. These are by Kitsch. I've heard great things about this brand. I've never personally tried them, but like I'm always down. I never really wear scrunchies in my hair, but like I want to be that girl that does that. These were also an item that I could have gotten. I could have gotten the Babe Lash Essential Serum for $120, the Ipsy Kiss and Makeup Clutch for $18, or the hair scrunchies for $12. So quite a big price difference in that situation there, but I would have picked the scrunchies too. I think I'm reading this correctly. Like, I think that means that these are the 3 options I could have got, and then these are options up here. I'm not sure. Again, this is the first one they've ever done, so who knows? What are you? Ooh, Patrick Shaw something. I was gonna say I'm actually like surprised I haven't found a Patrick Shaw product yet, but this is Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in the shade She's Passionate. That's cute. Okay. I've never tried anything from Patrick Shaw. They are cruelty free as well, but I've never tried anything from them. Packaging is cute. It's very like gold. Ooh, there's a nice mirror in there. Smells like kids makeup. Weird. Oh wow, that's very powdery. There's that. Well, it's pretty. Seems to blend nicely. Okay, yeah, I'm excited for that. This retails for, where are you at? Blush. So I could have got the blush or the brow wax. The blush is $32. The brow wax was $40. I don't know which one I would have chose. I'm down for either of those, so I'm not upset about that. There are a few color options listed here, so I don't know. There's the 3 colors, so I don't know if you like got different colors or not, or if it's all the same, but there's that. What are you? Texture Air. Infused with quartz and mica. Air Texture Air is your new secret weapon for creating tousled texture and perfectly imperfect styles with textured volume that lasts. Are you cruelty? Yes, cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. What is the name? It's Air with 2 eyes. This is a cool looking bottle. It's very big, but I've never heard of this brand before. Let me find you. Yeah, I don't know. I like this, but I'm not crazy about this thing because I feel like it's hard to maneuver, but okay, so there's 4 hair options. There was what I got was the Air Professional Texture Air, $28. There's Saints and Sinners Hair Care Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum. R&Co Teacup Detox Rinse for $32, or the IG Care First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I think I would have picked what I got in that category too. The IGK hair, I think I've tried that one and I didn't like it. I don't really need a detox rinse, and I don't know what a holographic serum is, so I think I would have chose that too. Okay. Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager from Complex Culture. What? I know Complex Culture is pricey, but what is this? Whoa. This looks like the fanciest razor I've ever seen, but I don't think it's a razor. It's a face massager. It's very, very heavy. It's got some weight to it. Our sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, reveal facial tension, and help tone facial contours. I am not wearing my glasses and cannot see nor read clearly. So how do does it need batteries? I would assume it unscrews from here. It's an awful noise. Yeah, it takes batteries. So I can't try this out for you right now, but it takes batteries, and then, ooh, it's very cold. And then you just kind of like massage your face with it. This retails for $58. It's an Ipsy exclusive. And I think this was like in everyone's. Okay, because it doesn't have other choices next to it. Where am I gonna put stuff? Stay there. Ooh, Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. The only Huda Beauty shadows I've tried are the little quads. I don't care for them, but I think this formula is different, so maybe we'll swatch a couple or something. Let's see here. This retails for, doesn't tell me, $65. I think it's only one option. I think this is the only palette you get, but there is Miss Huda on there. Is it Huda or Huda? I say Huda, but I'm not sure. Ooh, that is the cutest insert I've ever seen though. That's the like plastic thing that comes in here for protection. It's got her face on it, and that's real cute. These are pretty. They're like domed, but opposite. Like they cave in, the shimmery ones do. It's really pretty. Let's do Blessed. Those are so soft. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. And let's do Maneater, which is a matte shade. Wow. Okay. definitely better quality than her little quads. Those are gorgeous. I'm excited to try that. Okay, I think there's one thing left in here. Yes, and this is Pat McGrath's Labs. This is the Fetish Eyes Mascara. I won't be using this because they are not cruelty free. I'm not even going to open this, honestly, because why be wasteful, but this retails for $30. So that's everything in here. Get that out of here. So quick recap. I have eyeshadow on my face. I'm not going to use this mascara, but I mean, if you're not into like cruelty free stuff, then that's cool. Pat McGrath is a well-known brand, what are words? I'm very excited about this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I don't usually like Huda Beauty, the little quad shadows, but I think I keep saying quad. They're not quads. They're 9-pan little mini palettes. You guys know what I'm talking about, I'm sure. The Texture Airthane I'm excited for. We'll give it a go. I always love setting spray, so okay. I'm very excited to try out Halsey's new brand. I love Halsey. The face massager, like realistically, I'm probably not going to use this very often, but it's cute and I'll try it. Patrick Ta, I'm excited to try because I've never tried anything on Patrick Ta. And these scrunchies are adorable, so I'm excited about that. I'm pretty impressed with this. Like, this is what the Glam Bag X should have been all along. I never got that one just because I was like, 50 bucks a month is a lot. And then after watching other people's videos, I was very happy I didn't get it, but I can't close this box. Yeah, that's everything. Let me know down below if you guys are trying this, what you think of it. Are you happy with it? That kind of thing. Let me know what celebrity you want to see curate one of these, because I think that would be fun. Seeing like Selena Gomez, I think would be really cool, and getting some like rare beauty stuff. That's who I'm rooting for. But again, I don't know if it's makeup artists only or if it's celebrities too. But yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.